So there's a new update, and of course I have the secret agent, but this is what I look like because there's skins. So there's default, there's Noor, there's Agent R, which is Rathu, and then there's a limited, which is 1,000. I need Robux to buy this because why not? And I need this to also buy because I want this back because it's classic. I want my bow tie because I think that's how I looked. Because now I look like this. Nor, not so much. Kind of look creepy. But anyways, that's for that. Okay, so intern skins. Default, rascal, detective intern, banana intern. I need all the limited. So there's blueberry, there's banana. Oh, what else is there? Or nurse. Oh, they fixed the nurse. Okay, fluffy nurse. Oh, she looks like Hello Kitty, not gonna lie. Whoa. If I was a nurse, maroon nurse, oh my god. I want this so bad. But of course I want the classics, too. Okay, so that's nurse. Now secretary. Oh. That's just wrong. That's just wrong. Oh my god, close. Paramedic. Okay. So, no ears. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Default. Psych. Okay. Doctor. Oh. Okay. Bye. No. Oh, okay. So the firefighter has no. This is just for the skins. Hospital cop. Stop. That's funny. Okay. Head nurse. Wait, did I do security? Yes, I did. Head nurse. What? Okay. Old school fox. Ooh. Super. Surgeon. Oh. I personally want the 2 limited. So blueberry, which is 1,000, and then this one. It was I don't know which one it was. This one. I also want this one, and then no. I want this one too. And this. No, not that. This. I want them. So, but that is my ratings for the new skins. And then apparently there's stuff. There's that. I have to cover that. Hiders. Oh, these are all anomalies. So, yeah, we have a book now. That's the thing under the bed. I kill most anomalies. Oh, God. My God. Oh, my God. Coffee for visitor. Claim. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I like this. Oh, so cute. Who's that? That, and that. Stop, there's a goat. Little Goofy. Who's that? What is that? NPCs, achievements. Okay, so I only got 60. Okay. Oh, God, green earth. Please. What the fuck? Okay, bye, guys.